I'm Say What's Owen, and we'll be playing acid jazz. 3, 2, 1, go. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Seattle police. Somebody touched the Statue of Power. True. Somebody touched the power of the Statue of Power in Seattle, Washington. It is most likely dangerous to be touched, which makes this a civil emergency message. If you see the suspect, police. Thank you, everybody. Our next song is going to be called Rock and Roll. For touching the Statue of Power with not
please, start the song.
Also, please stay away. It is unknown what will happen. It is unknown if she will be okay. But please stay tuned to this house for more information. Q for staying tuned for right now. We're about to get to our real breaking news report. For some weird reason, there were many reports at the Seattle, Washington Statue of Power that was just built earlier exploded. We are still trying to do research. It's okay, but somebody touched it, and it seems up if it's blowing up. It's launching fireworks. It is unknown if these will actually send back and add an explosion to Seattle. It is unknown that the whole Seattle area will be in serious danger. Actually, but it is known that it's in serious danger, though. So please stay tuned. It's definitely in serious danger because the fireworks that are about to launch, the huge fireworks, might just go down and make an explosion in Seattle. And this is an administrative message. The following please listen carefully as the score says. Listen, please. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Police Department of Seattle, Washington. Fireworks has went out of the Statue of Power. It is the police says confirms that it is all the electricity. There's going to be a power outage in any moment. It is unknown if the fireworks will, if will hit up in the sky or the power fireworks, or if it'll land down and start an explosion. A national alert might be on the air if it starts to come back down. Then that will be an emergency action notification. This is just an announcement coming from. We interrupt our programming because of this alert. Stay tuned to this outlet in case the statue situation becomes worse. Civil danger for the whole Seattle area, also northern Oregon, and also western Idaho, all parts of those are under civil danger. The fireworks that had all electricity, well, there's a power outage. We gained power, but right immediately we showed this alert. They were heading all the way up. And now we couldn't see them. They were probably that high. It was confirmed that they were probably going to head back and explode. But so far, no sightings of it erupting was shown. If it was erupted before it hit the bottom of the ground, that's good. That's okay if it hit the air. But that's still not okay. The power will be gone forever. And if it goes down, a national alert will be issued. And plus, there's also going to be an evacuation. Evacuate immediately. Repeat, this is civil danger for all of Washington, western Idaho, and northern Oregon. Stay tuned to the South for more information. We interrupt this scenario. We interrupt this for breaking news. Oh, shoot. We got an update that, fireworks coming down. Shoot. Wait, what? Oh, whoever started this is probably going to be grounded. It's probably going to be grounded. Why in heck am I using microfilm speech? I better stop. But anyways, there were numerous reports. What's tech? Is there gonna be emergency action notification? Fireworks are coming down. This is a code red. Yes. Gosh darn it. Power signal loss. Oh, shoot. The Seattle Power statue is coming right down me. Shoot.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
The following message is transmitted. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Seattle government. This is a.
I say again, this is not a test.
There was a really dangerous situation as the fireworks was confirmed that they were going back down. It is supposed that the whole Seattle city will explode. It is supposed to be exploding in the final 2 minutes. It's supposed to just explode through many areas and then the whole area will be attacked and plus evacuate immediately. This is not a test, remember. Please shelter and please seek fallout shelter immediately as all the power and electricity will explode. This will be really dangerous, so stay tuned to the South for more information as there's going to be a real fire and this is too dangerous. And anyway, don't forget, this was an attack. So if you seek fallout shelter, if there's a fallout shelter, go there immediately. Otherwise, head out of the ground. Make sure you have food, water, shelter, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Do not use elevators. Use the stairs as a tool in case the powers go out. Don't forget to have an attic full of supplies like food, water, shelter, medical supplies, clothing, and a battery, hand crank, operator, television, radio. The president will be speaking any moment.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WKBC. We will continue to serve the North Wilkesboro area. If you are not in this area,
we'll continue to serve the Seattle area.
You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the North
Seattle
Wilkesboro area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.